Okay, another edition of Gino Gems. This one is how to compare your stock symbol to another symbol. And again, I'm going to use Thinkorswim for this one because there's a lot of ways to do it. A lot of softwares out there. Most popular used is Thinkorswim if you're a tackle trader. I'm just going to really quickly show you how to do this. And it's kind of like I want to share this gem because it's a comparison tool to see how you compare a stock to an ETF, to the market, to a commodity. But it's kind of difficult because once you do this, getting into this situation, comparing it, I'm going to show you how to get out of it and get back to normality. So I'm on my basic chart I use all the time here, 10 and 20 moving average. And what I'm going to do is I'm looking at, for example, I'm looking at Apple here, and Apple's gap down. I just want to compare the performance of Apple to maybe the market. So one way to do this, I'm just going to show you one way. There's many ways. I'm going to show you a quick way. I'm going to hit studies. And you can see here, add study all the way to the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but all the way to the bottom, it says compare with. And down here, you've got the composite, the Dow, you got the mini NASDAQ, you got some pre-filled ones in the template, the most popular. And so right away, I'm going to compare it to the S&P, just to compare Apple to the S&P. You click that. And if you don't see it, there should be a line on here of the S&P. I don't see it. And that's because you see the numbers over here. It's because the S&P's up in the thousands. It's up above 3,000. Apple's down here at 160. So to make it easy, you click your little sprocket, go to price axis, and right here, oh, it's free, so you take a screenshot, show price as percentage. So now when I click that, hit apply, there's the S&P in that line. It's a violet line right there. I'm going to highlight right there. And you can see it dips and dives and peaks and valleys, the same as the market. And my chart is set back for 9 months. So they start it based on where your chart starts as even. And since that 9-month period, you can see Apple for the last 9 months is up just over 1% here. And the market's down about 13%. Now, that's compared to the market. What if I want to compare it to an ETF or a custom symbol? Same thing, studies, add study, all the way down to the bottom, compare with. I'm going to go up to custom symbol because these are all pre-filled ones. You can click, of course, the SOX, the semiconductor. But what if I want to compare it to Microsoft? What if I want to compare it to, I don't know, XLK, the ETF that it's in? I hit compare symbol, custom symbol. I'm going to put XLK, and you can put many different symbols. You can pick whatever you want or add many different ones. Hit OK, and there is XLK right here. It's down 18%. So now I know, yes, it follows the market because it peaks and valleys, dips and dives, like the rest of the sector in the market. Same pattern, but it's outperforming. Now, another quick little Gino gem in here. If I don't want to go through all that again, I can simply just hit the beaker, find, here's like XLK. I know it's outperforming the S&P. I could click in here and just change the S&P right here to, I'm going to compare it to Microsoft. How is it comparing to Microsoft? And then just hit OK there, hit apply, and then OK. And you can see here, compared to Microsoft, it's outperforming it also. Same pattern. Now, the last gem, how do I get out of this? Well, if you come in here and just go and delete those symbols, guess what? It looks like just Apple's here, but you're stuck on percentage still. You have to go back to the sprocket, go back to price axis, undo percentage, hit apply, and now you're back to normal. That's how you back out of it. So yes, it's easy to forget those steps, but just remember, there's a couple of hoops you got to jump through to get price comparison. Have fun with that, guys. I've been asked this question many times at team@tackletrading.com and on our Discord channel. This is a very popular question, how to compare with Thinkorswim. That's how you do it. That's how I do it. Again, enjoy the Gino Gem. See you next time.